Welcome to the React web application from scratch. We are building a full stack web application, My Library, where you can manage author and books. So you can see the list of books. Here we have the list of authors, and inside the view book we have the book with authors, and you can create a new book, a new author, and we also have the login, logout. And in the previous video, I added the reset password. So in the forgot passwords, if any user forgot his password, he can request to reset his passwords by providing the valid mail and the username. So he or she will get this the email like this, and from this link he can or she can reset the password. So you can check the link of this video in the upper right corner. And also the full functionality whatever I did here, uh, you can check the full playlist link in the upper right corner. And if you are interested to create the backend of this application with Node, Express and MongoDB, you can check the playlist in the upper right corner. So today I am going to add the not found page. So suppose if user trying to access URL like this which is not exist, then he will or she will land to the not found page. I will also be adding I will also be adding the alert, basically the toaster. So whenever the user will create new author, he will get notified by this alert. So whether it's successful or there is any failure. Mm, and also the loader. So basically, if there is delay in response from the servers, there will be the loader. So without extending the introduction part, let's get started. Here you can see we have the client and the server. Server is basically the backend. Backend is running in the 3001 port, and here is the client, the React project. Here I will add the component not found. If I access any routes which is not exist, like we don't have example route present, so you can see it's redirect to the not found. Like any text you can add, and it will redirect to the not found component which we created now. Here the not found route where we have the path star. So this part of the code sets the path attribute of the route component to star, which is a wildcard in routing. It means that this route will match any URL that hasn't been matched by the previous routes. So the previous routes, the sign up, sign in, forgot passwords, if that doesn't match, then it will land to this not found. So it creates a catch-all route that matches any URL that hasn't been handled by other routes in the application. When such a URL is accessed, it renders the not found component, providing a way to handle unknown routes or display specific UI for the routes that doesn't exist within the defined path of the application. Now I will design the not found page using the Bootstrap. Now you can see the 404 not found page. So if I access any URL that is not present, so it will redirect to this the 404 not found page. The page you are looking for does not exist, and here from here I can go to the home. And if I don't have token, if I not log in, and if I want to access any route, I also go to the uh, same not found page, and here I can't go to home. It will redirect to the sign in page. Now I will add the toaster. I will use the React Toastify package for this. So first let me install it. Next I will add a common toast service component which will use the other component will use this component. So inside common I will create this toast service. So here I use the React Toastify. Here the toast.success and we have the toast.error. Both are used to create the toast notification with the provided message, and options object is passed as the second arguments to customize the toast behavior. Position specify where the toast notification will appear on the screen, the top right in this case, and the auto close sets the duration in milliseconds before the notification automatically closes. So we set it to the 3 seconds. The toast container here, it's basically the where the toast will appear. So I will add it to the app.js, the toast container. Next I will add the toaster in the create route, create new author route. So on success it will show the success message, and on error it will show the error message or the alert. So let's see. So I will create a test author and submit, and you can see here we have the toaster successfully author created. It's showing the message for the 3 seconds. Now I will test whether it's error message showing or not. So I will stop the server. Here is our server. I am stopping the server, and now I will try to create a author. Test author 2, and if I submit, you can see here it's showing error. So and we are not able to create author. So if you share the make request, if there is any if it's not able to fetch the error message, it's just showing the error. Next I will add the loader component in the common, and I will apply in the API request. Now if I go to the books page, so you can see the small. Now if I make it negative, then you can see the loader here. So I want to make it bigger. So I'll change some style. I will apply some style. Now you can see it's bigger. Now I want to remove the negation, and you can see while I am going to author, it's not there is not loading. The loader is not applied to the page. If I go to the books page, there is some loader. So if I go to the network call, and if I click on the books, so you can see when the response is served, the loader actually gone, and until the response is coming, the loader is present. Okay, so you can apply the loader in the other pages, also in the new author, until the response comes from the server, the successful response or the error response. By to create the authors, you can you can apply the loader on the page, on the new author page, on the or the new book page, and also the authors page. You can try on your own. Okay, that's all for this video. Okay, if you like the video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.